Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you are looking for an easy way to sell digital products using just your phone, you are in the right place. So today I will walk you through how to sell ebooks, digital planners, templates, and other digital products or physical products on this website, the Raket.ph, all from your mobile phone. So, here guys, Raket.ph is an online marketplace where you can sell both digital and physical products. So, it is really perfect for selling ebooks, printable planners, social media templates, courses, and more. So, you don't need a website, just upload your products and start selling. So here the buyers can instantly download your files after purchasing, making it a great source of passive income. So here how to create an account on your phone. So here guys, you just need to open Google Chrome, Safari or any browser and then type www.racket.ph. Then there you just need to sign up. You can connect it through your Gmail, email or even your LinkedIn. And then you just need to enter the details like the full name. So here you just need to complete your profile here guys. So add your profile pic. So this helps people easily recognize you. Add your short intro and bio wherein briefly write about what you do. And add one or more Gmail. So here you can choose the right category for your store guys. And of course link your payment details there. So pro tip here guys, a complete profile builds trust and makes buyers more likely to purchase. So choosing your product to sell guys. So for example to that one is we are going to sell an ebook. So here you can have this like self-help guides, recipe books or like what do we call this? For example, the loves book, and then you can also have digital planner or printable workbooks and checklists, which is PDF format, and then printable art and stickers. And also guys, you can create digital products using the Canva, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and then the Excel and Google Sheets. So if you're selling guys, make sure you have the right to sell the product. So here guys, how to upload and list your digital product on Racket.ph. So go to the seller dashboard and tap add product. There you can select digital product as the product type. So in the Racket.ph guys, they have their template, but you can also start from scratch guys. So it's still depending on you guys, but today's tutorial I am going to start from scratch. So here I'm just gonna tap this start from scratch, and on this part guys, which is very important part, you need to fill in the product details. So in the product name guys, make it clear and catchy. For example, ebook, and then add a catchy title guys. Then here you can choose which digital or physical. So we are going to have digital, and then we also have the category guys. I think you just need to choose the correct category, and then the price and the product description. So for example, what is included in the digital download, who is it for, and how to use it. For example, it can be edited in Canva, printable in A4 size, just like that guys. Make sure to be like, you need to explain all, but this is just an example guys, but on reality you need to explain it briefly. So in adding an image guys, it is very important to have it like high quality. So here you can choose stock photo from their website guys. And here for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So here guys, right after that one, you are going to be followed by this one. So pro tip here guys, you can add a preview image or sample file to show customers what they are buying. So here guys, on the asset, the files the buyers will get access to once they have completed the payment. So here you can upload it or have your URL. So here I'm gonna choose the file here. So you can also make it like Google Drive, guys, depending on you. So here, guys, on the pricing, set a reasonable price based on competitor research. But on this Raket.ph, guys, their maximum price is greater than 99 pesos, which is their minimum is 100. So here, once you're done, you just need to submit it and that's it. So in automating delivery and managing sales, guys, so when someone buys your product, they will receive an automatic download link. So you will get a notification in your seller dashboard. So no shipping is required. Just keep track of your orders and customers' messages. So here, guys, you can also offer bundle deals or discount to encourage more sales here. And in promoting your digital products for more sales, you can share your Raket.ph store link on social media like Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. And then you can also offer limited time discounts to attract more buyers. You can also create a YouTube or TikTok video showcasing how your digital product works. So how to withdraw your earnings, guys? So this is very important part because this is what we need, the earnings. So once a buyer completes a purchase, funds will be credited to your Raket.ph wallet, so you can withdraw the money via GCash, bank transfer, PayPal. So here, track all transaction in your sales history. So here, guys, the pro tip here is withdraw larger amounts to reduce transaction fees. As you can see here, guys, and we all know, guys, that here it is really perfect for selling ebooks and you don't need a website. So there you can also sell custom-made digital services, guys, like logo design, website templates, or social media contents here. So here you can view your customers and their activity. And then the recommendations, you can manage your recommendations, discount, you can add here or manage the discount codes, and then the affiliates, let your friends spread word for you and reward them. Then the analytics, which is your rocket ship insights and reports. And that's it, guys. So now you know how to sell digital products on Raket.ph using just your phone. So here, you now know how to set up your seller profile in Raket.ph, choose a best-selling digital product to sell, upload high-quality files and write a clear product description, promote your store on social media for more sales, withdraw earnings via GCash, bank transfer, or PayPal. And that's it. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more online selling tips. Let me know in the comments if you have questions or need help. Happy selling, guys, and good luck with your online business.